Mega love shoutout mga kaibigan. Ako po si Tech Shider. Welcome po sa aking YouTube channel. Nag-broadcast ang ating mahal na inang Reynang Helen at mahal na Haring Mamay Abdurrajak at ang ating beloved Princess Siti Halima para ipaalam sa lahat ang mahahalagang bagay sa publiko. Ipinaliwanag ng ating mahal na inang Reynang Helen kung bakit na-delay ang pagdaloy ng blessings at ang mga programa ng Lupasag Empire. Isa dito ay ang pagharang ng mga politikong claimants at ang mga corrupt na mga tao na nanira din sa ating beloved royal couple. Muling ibinahagi ng ating mahal na inang Reyna ang mga mahahalagang programa ng imperyo ng Lupasag at ipinunto din niya ang holy asset ay para sa mga mahihirap. Habang abala ang mga politiko sa awayan at pag-aagawan ng mataas na posisyon sa Malacanang, ang puwersa ng Lupasag ay naghahanda sa nangyayaring global shutdown para sa paglabas ng bagong currency. Mga kaibigan, hindi pa ba kayo natatauhan sa nangyayari sa ating bansa? Ang walang katapusang korupsyon na ginagawa ng mga politiko at ang kawalan ng tamang hustisya para maparusahan ang mga nasangkot sa korupsyon. Ang mga nagtatagong korap na mga politiko na hindi daw mahuli at ang mga media news na kasabwat para lasunin ang kaisipan ng mga Filipino sa kanilang pag-broadcast sa kanilang mga black propaganda. Gising mga kaibigan, at tayong mga mahihirap ay magkaisa para mabuwag na ang sistema ng korupsyon sa ating bansa. Tayo ay makiisa at sumuporta sa ating Divino gobyerno sa pamumuno ng ating beloved President Ferdinand Edrelan Marcos Sr. at ng ating Lupasag royal couple. All credit po sa ating mahal na inang Reynang Helen Abdurrajak.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Live po tayo ngayon. At least makita tayo ng buong mundo na pinaghahandaan natin ang mangyayari. Sana po nandiyan kayo na nagtitingin, nagmamasid sa kaganapan sa buong mundo. Maraming salamat po dahil tayo ay nakarating sa panahon natin ngayon. So bago tayo mag-umpisa, at least hingiin natin sa mahal na hari kay Raja Muhammad Gamar Mamay Hassan Abdurrajak ang isang prayers para maging maganda ang ating paglabas ngayong araw na ito, January 23, 2026, pero sa iba't ibang bansa ay January 22 pa rin, 2026. Raja Gamar Mamay Abdul Gabar Raja Muhammad Gamar Mamay Hassan Abdurrajak.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له له الملك ويميت وهو على كل شيء. سبحان الله والحمد لله ولا إله إلا الله والله أكبر ولا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله العلي العظيم. إلا كرامات يا بركات وجود لا إله إلا الله. لا إله إلا الله قنجات الله وجود الله. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. آمين. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. لا إله إلا الله أنت سبحانك إني كنت من الظالمين. لا إله إلا الله حق مبين ليس كمثله سميع بصير. لا إله إلا الله جليل يا أجيج جليل. لا إله إلا الله حديثا وهريسا وهو الرحيم الرحيم. Allahumma salli wa sallim ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa barik wa sallim. La ilaha illallah aliku kulla sayyid qabduhu wa bikulli syai'in qadir. Saudara-saudara saya yang sekalian, saya mengucap pada hari ini, hari Jumat, malam ini, bahwa kita rakyat Malaysia, kita mempertahankan negara yang tercinta. Tiada lagi yang tuntut-tuntut sabar, sebab saya adalah cucu kepada Al-Aulayarham Tunku Abdul Rahman Putra Al-Haj, dan cucu kepada Allahyarham Datuk Pasang Paduka Muhammad Sani, yang anaknya Raja Anang Haji Hasan Pasang dari sabda mama saya, dari sabda bapak saya Tunku Abdul Rahman Putra Al-Haj adalah 16 Sultan Husin Kamaluddin Ibnu Tulk Sultan Muhammad Ali. Saya mempertahankan kedaulatan negara dan jiwa rakyat. Kita harus bersatu padu mempertahankan kita kerajaan yang dipimpin oleh PMX, adalah kerajaan Madani, untuk mempertahankan ekonomi Malaysia maju jaya. Kita punya amalan, kita adalah demokrasi yang perpaduan, hak asasi manusia yang utamakan. Segala kesilapan daripada pemimpin bukannya kesilapan parti-parti, tapi kita harus bersatu. Sekarang tuntutan Sabah sudah tamat pada 14 Mac 2014. Ada dokumennya di High Court of Sabah Kota Kinabalu. Waktu Chief Justice Tan Sri Richard Maranjung yang pegang Chief Justice Sabah dan Sarawak. Sekarang aku minta daripada kerajaan Madani, tamatkan ini bang sudah tiada sovereignnya, sudah keluar ini cucu dan pewaris yang sah yang membantu negara supaya bangun maju. Malaysia dan Filipina adalah intermarriage. Saya bukannya mengambil jawatan apa-apa, tapi aku minta sokongan daripada kerajaan Madani, istiarkan saya cucu negara, cucu Tunku Abdul Rahman Putra Al-Haj, sebab perjanjian yang 50 tahun sudah selesai adalah waktu Hindu. 19 bulan 9 1963 itu rakutnya pada Filipina, diikutkan Maria 5 presiden, 5 presiden, 1 Marcos, 2 Aquino, 3 Ramos, 4 Estrada, Las Arroyo, tamat pada 2018. Kini kita di negara kita Malaysia adalah diikutkan Abdul Rahman, 5 Perdana Menteri, 1 Tun Rajab, 2 Husin, 3 Mahathir, 4 Abdullah, 5 Najib. Sudah tamat. Apa kata yang di Pertuan Agong kita? Hormatkan MA63, sebab kita ada perjanjian. Kita hormat perjanjian, sebab saya punya perjuangan fokus focused to support the present government under the leadership of PMX. Saya bukannya ikut campur. Cuma saya penasihat saja. Penasihat kita rakyat Melayu harus bersatu. Kita buangkan semua yang tinggi, buangkan semua yang fitnah, segala yang buat perpecahan jangan amalkan lagi. Pada 2026 kita mesti maju ke depan. Negara maju, rakyat sehat, kerajaan stabil. Begitu juga dengan Filipina. Filipina sekarang ini banyak masalah daripada pemimpin tidak lagi memajukan negara Filipina. Dia masing-masing ambil kesempatan. Aku minta daripada Ferdinand Edwin Marcos Sr., dia masih hidup dan dia adalah loyal antara bangsa ini dengan anaknya Elizabeth III. Dia yang mother account, pergi mana-mana kamu pergi, Switzerland mana-mana sudah masuk semua dalam ibu account. Allah bagaimanapun pada 15 bulan 8 2025 kami hantarkan dokumen-dokumen yang dipentingkan kepada Bank Negara Kuala Lumpur, tapi tidak orang ambil tindakan, masih lagi dia melalui dia orang punya peguam. Kami berkedudukan dengan Queen Elizabeth III adalah sovereign judge. Sovereign judge oleh Lord Borneo, bukannya senang pegang ini jawatan. Sebab ini hal kepentingan negara, kepentingan rakyat yang susah. Kita mesti sama-sama bersatu untuk mempertahankan ekonominya. Kami punya perjuangan dengan Queen sudah mungkin 16 tahun kasih aman itu Filipina Selatan. Daripada musim Noy-Noy, musim Duterte hingga Kabongbong, untuk tempatkan kekacauan di Filipina Selatan. Dan aku menasihati semua tuntut-tuntut sultan-sultan itu menyusahkan rakyat. Tengok sekarang rakyat yang dalam pagar itu, rumah merah, rumah hijau, air panas, pahlawan tiap-tiap ada dari Sembuang ke Disendakan. Tapi bagaimanapun orang sudah tidak ada kehidupan di Filipina Selatan, terpaksa balik juga ke Sabah. Dan aku minta mohon akan dikembalikan IMF 13 untuk sementara waktu. Kalau sudah ada pembinaan secepat mungkin di Filipina Selatan, diorang akan pulang. Aku kasih pulang, tapi ada kedudukan supaya tidak akan balik lagi. Sekarang aku nasihati kerajaan negeri yang JLS, pilihan rakyat Sabah, gabungan parti itu yang sesuai untuk rakyat suku kaum. Jangan lagi pilih lain parti. JLS yang boleh memajukan Sabah, mempertahankan ekonomi. Sabah dan Sarawak adalah bantu Malaysia maju jaya. Walau bagaimanapun Sabah dan Sarawak tetap Malaysia. Walaupun dalam sejarah Sabah milik Filipina, tapi cucu sudah ada, tak akan lagi balik ke Filipina. Sabah tetap Malaysia dan Sarawak. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Maraming salamat, mahal na hari, Raja Gamar Mamay Hassan Abdurraja. Hi, everybody. Nice to see you all. I know that mas maganda na nakikita ninyo ang pagmumukha na alam ninyo punong-puno ng kagalakan dahil nanalo tayo sa buong mundo. Hindi lamang sa buong mundo. Throughout the galactic power, throughout the world, they have already known that Lupasu is already in command. I'd like to inform the royal family that our main headquarters in Sulu, third floor, Ismail Building, we know that for how many years I had been operating in that area. So, our World Bank, our sovereign UN Royalty Lupasu Empire, our Royal Armed Forces, nandiyan dyan. Kasi kung wala tayong pasilidad, wala tayong juridical entity na masabi. Kaya nga, simulat sa pool, talagang sinisikap ko na meron tayong pasilidad kung saan legal ang pamamaraan. Kahit hirap na hirap si Queen, minimaintain ko ilang pasilidad. Iyan ang hindi alam ng lahat. Kasi kung walang pasilidad si Queen, kahit nagbabayad ng 60,000 per month, dahil main headquarter yan, dahil ang katotohanan, paano mo ma-recover sa ngalan ng Lupasu kung hindi ka mismo nakaposisyon? Repositioning, yan ang sinasabi natin. Kaya ang mission natin, naghihirap ang paa, naghihirap ang kamay sa kakatrabaho, lalong naghihirap ang utak sa paggawa ng plataforma, programa. Nag-umpisa tayo sa Ligwa sa Mars. Tayo ang gumawa ng platform ng Blood Compact na kung saan lahat ng stakeholders na mga combatants, MNLF, MILF, Abu Sayyaf, private armies, lahat po sila inipon natin. Blood ang pinirma ng matatanda dyan. At ang ating mahal na sultan, si Sultan Pandala Pasandalan, ang siyang nagbigay ng push ng pader para mailagak sa buong mundo na tayo ay nagkakaisa sa pagbantay ng ating langis. The oil and gas deuterium ang pinakapuso ang Ligwa sa Mars. Ako'y natutuwa dahil kahit anong gawin ninyong laban, ang titulo ng Commonwealth na iniwan ni Ama Pandala ay intact. At iyan ang ginamit din ng BARM sa pagkuha ng suporta doon sa likwasan, naging paraan nila para gawa sila ng tinatawag na peace talk. Yun na yung peace agreement nila. Yun na yung Bangsamoro Basic Law na nauwi sa Bangsamoro Transition Authority na ngayon minadali nila Secretary Delis, Secretary Colonel, at ngayon ni Secretary Galvez na panamamayagpag na sila ang founder ng BARM. Pasensyahan po, dahil may batas ang soberanya. Hindi kayo natigil dahil alam ninyo na kayo, yun ang pagkakaalam niyo. Pero, marami tayong basher, marami tayong kaaway, dahil, kumbaga, gumagawa lang tayo ng nararapat. Nang dahil kay Ama Pandala Pasandalan, na talagang isinakripisyo ang buhay para maging divine ang laban ko. Siya ang unang elder ko na ama na talagang isinukan niya ang kanyang dugo in 2011 para matulungan ako. Kasi right from the start, ang usapan ng dalawang matanda, ni Ama Ali at ni Ama Pandala, na kailangan maprotektahan si Queen para sa misyon na ito na sa kaituparan magiging complete ang divine mission na ito. Marami tayong mga nagtatatawa. Marami sa atin ang mga walang pakialam. They don't care because they believe that there is a government. That's what they think. But they didn't know that the world is governed by treaties, by agreements. Kaya nga, ang sovereign royalty ng Lupasong is the silent dragon na kung saan for many years tayo ang source of origin. Kaya sa recovery program ni Queen at ni King, ang peace, defense, economic development, healthcare and learning program, and renewable energy na kung saan nandiyadyaan ang oil and gas, deuterium, the gold bunkers, lahat ng aqua, agri-minerals na nakadeposito sa ating kalupaan, sa ating karagatan, na yan yung yaman na pinakamalaki ng sovereign Philippines at ng Lupasong Empire. Hindi nila namalayan. Kahit ilang beses nila akong hinamak, inapak-apakan, I have lost a lot of friends. Mga kababata, I have lost them. Even comrades, even my own best friends, even those na sinasabi natin closest to me, betrayed me, some of them, left me behind, turned their backs because they thought I am just a con artist. Unknown to them that it still pays off to be humble. It's still our way of catching them. Mas maganda yung natutulog ka kasama yung mga kalaban. Mas maganda that you have to be closer to the enemy so that you know how to deal with them. This is the multifaceted character of the queen. I will not fight you outrightly, but I will find a way that I am armored of evidences so that I could fight you back in the most legitimate, legal way. And I did it. I have done it. Ika nga. So sa ngayon, marami ang nagtatanong bakit 22 na, mag-23 na ngayon, bakit walang shutdown? Gusto niyo ba ng ura-urada na kung saan kayo mismo ay walang makain, walang ano? Lahat iyan. All of these are being planned, strategized by our Excellency Ferdinand Iterlin Marcos Sr. together with the shadow governance. We are intact ever since. We have been operating above the local, the international governments of the world. Kung wala ang shadow government ng royal family, walang mundo. Wala tayong galactica na susuporta sa atin because we are the universal people, yung tinatawag natin na pinadala. Yun na nga. Because people right now are just confined in their intellectual capacity na kung ano yung nakikita nila, yun lang ang pagkaintindi nila. Well, I do not need to use my philosophical knowledge, my theological knowledge, or whatever high, knowledgeable, learned na pinag-aralan ko sa mga matataas na eskwelahan. Nagpakumbaba ako. But with all my credentials, at least I was able to do something in making the defense kung paano nilabanan ang buong mundo. First and foremost, Ama Ali, Sultan Toron Lawan Dumaga, Sultan Ismail Ikiram, yes, he passed away physically, but never he abandoned me because he is my forefront, my side-by-side, my backbone in the implementation of the divine governance together with the physical, tangible implementer, Apo Lakay. Pinaghandaan niya iyan. Dapat 1935 pa tayo tapos. But because of the greediness of the top leaders mula pa sa Espanyol, papunta sa Netherlands, sa mga colonizers, sa mga invaders, but never nag-surrender ang mga lolo natin. That's why it has long-awaited moments na nagawaan natin ng sistema. Kawawa yung mga combatants, punta sa Saudi Arabia, punta sa OIC, punta sa Indonesia, punta sa Malaysia. What do they gain? Pinaaasa. With all the peace talk, but there is no closure. Walang tinatawag na specific resolution na ginawa nila, kundi manipulation, control, para magamit nila ang ating kayamanan, lalo na ang oil and gas deuterium natin. Excuse me for those claimants. The Titulo de Propiedad Torrens ni Apo Lakay na binili pa in 1976, may resibo po yan, witnessed by the U.S. Consul kay Rodriguez Llaneza. May mga resibo po yan. So that means the deed of 1878 na yun ay nilagdaan noong January 22, 1878 pa. Kaya nga ito ang muhon kung bakit in January 22, 2022 ay executed as vouched by Raja Mamay the notice of absolute monarchy. Dahil hindi na sa Buckingham ang magbibigay ng blessing or consent. Not anymore Brunei. Because I was able to do it. Raja Mamay cannot be denied. Kahit lumabas pa yung kapatid niya. Kahit sinuportahan pa ng matataas na gobyerno. Kahit lahat-lahat na kayo against Queen, I am the defender of the royal family, of the sovereign Lupasug Empire. Platada po yan. The grandfather Li Lichun, the Emperor of China, executed his official mandate in 2018. Siliado, dokumentado, aprobado, lahat po yung patunay. Kaso lang, marami ang umangkin. Kaya na-delay tayo. Kaya kayong mga nag-aantay lamang, kayo na nagsabi nag-invest ng 300 na continuously humiliated me, ridiculed me, insulted me publicly. Do you know that you have the punishment awaiting? It is not mine anymore. It is in the hands of the President Ferdinand Idrolin Marcos Sr. Not Bongbong. Not Bongbong received the World Bank. Not anybody from the government. Because this money is entitled for all poor Filipinos. Of course, the rich will be there, but after the audit of all what you have done to the asset, to the holy asset. I am so glad that all the years that I have suffered most, I won. Kahit paulit-ulit niyo akong saktan, kahit paulit-ulit niyo akong insultuhin, hamakin, duraan, yurakan, paulit-ulit din akong babangon para depensahan ang ating kayamanan, ang ating kalupaan, ang ating soberenya. The divine sovereign territory that God has chosen in this era is the pearl of the Orient, na meron tayong minarkahan na isa na nagpakasakit, binupumbahan ng lahat ng pasakit din mula pagkabata magpahanggang ngayon. Pero at least nagiging strong. And I thereby say, at least the mission of God, the mission of our grandfathers, come into fruition because the combination of the two children that has been chosen, prepared, inis-is, pinino para harapin ang bagong henerasyon. Everything is already in place. Tapos na. Struktura is already being implemented. Do not hurry up. Do not expect ng ura-urada. It's not easy to do the mission that Allah entrusted to us. Imagine, for 16 years, going to 17, the burden of proof, the burden of truth, and the burden of lies, and the physical, tangible fight, the combat between good and evil is in the hands of your lonely queen. But being given the wisdom to see the difference, nagpaparaya palagi. Palaging luhaan. Pero yung luha ay katumbas ng pagsusumamo para kayo lahat ay bumalik sa Creator. No matter baybayin ko sa inyo, lahat iyan tapos na. Omega Alpha. January 22, 2026, ang ilaw lumabas. The lamp is not the lamp that Bongbong is trying to present. The lamp is embedded in the agreement of the deed of 1878, which has been extended by MA 63 and also the same way handled by MA 2023 na ginawa natin noong September 16, 2023 dito sa Malacca, Malaysia. People are wondering why I am staying in Malacca. This is what you call repositioning, protecting the sovereignty, because if not, dito rin pumupunta ang claimants, ang apo ni Pax Manguda Dago, the governor right now, playing the games of throne in this area. I am the living combatants to put the wrong to the right path. Kahit anong gawin ninyo, you cannot refute, dispute, or contest, because I am armed with legal testament since the day that I started this mission. The documentary book that I have, na yan din naging basihan ng BARM para apurahin, to put into laws, para magkaroon sila ng ruling. Sino mag-a-aproba sa inyo? Nobody. Because I have already guarded that in the premise that the United Nations ruling has been given to me since 2010. Tinago lang nyo yan. The Pentagon files stipulated that I am Helen Panolino, married to the true Sultan of Sulu. Pero tinago nyo pa rin. But even so, because of the living witness, now physical divine, si Ama Ali, the divinity na talagang makikita ninyo is the balance of material and the divine, the soul. Kasi kung wala tayong espiritu, para kang isang baliw naglalakad lang sa kalye. There is no essence, there is no difference between kung ano yung tama, kung ano yung mali. Wala ka ng konsyensya niyan, hubad kang naglalakad. Na yan ngayon, maraming mga black magicians na kaya nilang kunin ang inyong espiritu at palitan. That is now the trend in America, spiritual swapping. Magagaling sila. Kaya mag-ingat din kayo sa mga espiritik na sinasabi ko noon pa. Now at least we know that there are a lot of major religions are fighting internally, which I told them before. In our fight with Raja Mamay, the freedom of religion, the freedom of speech, the freedom of choice, but no one is above the law. Iyan ang aming trabaho ni Raja Mamay. Putting everything into a framework na kung saan nandiyan yung passage to reach kung saan na kami ngayon. Ako'y nagpapasalamat kasi talagang ito na. I have already informed His Highness the President. Everything is ready. The Moro National Liberation Front sa pamumuno ng ating Prime Minister and the Commanding-in-Chief, Haji Yahya Damsalum, who believe na kung anong iniwan ni Maas, dahula bangsa agama, is intact. Kahit anong gawin ninyo, ginawa ko yan mismo doon sa Masjid Likop Adam, kung saan nag-sign ng agreemento, ng lease agreement ng Deed of 1878 between Baron Overbeck, Alfred Dent, and the direct grandfather of Raja Mamay, Sultan Jamalul Alam, Haji Hasan Pasar. That is the father of the mother of Raja Mamay. Kaya direkta ang lineage ni Raja Mamay from the blood of Jamalul Alam and the blood of Jamalul Kiram, Sultan Muhammad, si Tunku Abdurrahman Putra Al-Hajj, ang kanyang another life, na kung saan sila ang gumawa ng Semenanjong Malayo. Raja Hussein Kamaluddin ng Brunei, Raja Hussein Kamaruddin ng Indonesia. Lahat ito mapatalinghaga, subalit si Queen ang nagbaybay lahat para maintindihan ng sambayanan na napaka-importante ng ginawa ni Apu Lakay. Now, kung sinong Apu Lakay nila, let them do it. Because there is already an instruction in all the central banks, in all the prime banks, kung sino at paano. The global reset has been done. Yan ang hindi ninyo alam. Kaya kailangan mag-shut down to pave the way for the new currency to be out ma-authorize na mag-circula ang bagong lipunan. The Federal Republic of the Philippine Islands were never amended. Kaya kayong mga politiko na hindi nag-aral at basta na lang umupo at lumalaban kuno in the name of the Constitution, you are all wrong. That even the Supreme Court is inuutusan iyan ng may-ari ng hula bangsa agama. Primarily, why Queen became the author of the formal recovery program of the entire world in the name of the royal family. It's because I am chosen to lead this role. It's not my own. It is being designed by all the grandfathers who are the vanguard of the 7 continents, even up to Buckingham. You didn't even know that I have my grandfathers in Buckingham watching me. I have my grandfathers in the United Nations. Tell me, what have you done to your country? Are you willing to sacrifice this much as I do? To be with Raja Mamay in all these years, protecting him, defending him, fighting for his legality that has been stolen by the brother, and the brother is with the top leaders of the different head of states, manipulating the money which they are not supposedly be doing that. That is why right now so many of them are into jail, arrested, because there is the proof, the physical proof, the evidence that they have malversed the money, they have manipulated the money, they had been into financial conspiracy. Do you think all of you that has been with me, who played my financial team but turned your back to me and put me to death? When I went to the bank, I was told if I am really the same person, because right from the start you have played the conspiracy. You don't want the true heir and successor to come out. You don't want us, because you lose, I win. That is the essence of this fight. I am mandated by the divinity to make the stand and fight for my life, to defend the divinity, the government of the divine rule. And I thank the Father. So many of you are mumbling, so many of you are complaining why he is not yet out. Don't you know it is very difficult for us to watch the Pacific Ocean for the international aggression to come in? It's not only the West Philippine Sea, it's all the areas, Sulu Sea, Trans-Atlantic Sea, all of this. We are trying to protect the promised land. That's why it is New Makkah, this is New Jerusalem. It has been designed by God, by Allah. The coexistence between the Islam and the Christian. Kaya kahit papano, the physical representation of Raja Mamay and I is very important. The Christian and the Islam bonded together to defend the new passage of how we recognize the Creator. Even if I am well prepared to use Bibles, phrases, all of this, in the divine books, but I don't do that. Why? Because I prefer to fight between the right and the wrong in the perspective that you can easily understand. Like for instance, do not follow the lie. Stand for the truth. You can gain justice into it. And I like the way that Ama Ali told me, Bay, kahit anong gawin nila, ikaw ang anak. You have already labored day and night. And people would say that they don't know me. How about the book that I have written as the author for the transition into divine government? How about the passage that have been used, the blood compact brought to Malaysia and Brunei so that they could gain the budget and be mucho dinero because they are being paid so that they can delay the return of the asset to the true heirs and successors, the beneficiary of the Kiram's asset. Kaya kahit anong gawin ninyo, fight kayo up to Madrid. It is null and void because of the substance, because of the legality of the deed of 1878 and the Mapolindo 1963. That's why I instituted the Mapolindo in 2023, because in September 16, 2013 rather, September 16, 2013, tapos na ang Mapolindo Agreement. That's why the peace talk resorted to Sabah standoff, Zamboanga standoff, 44 Sacmen sacrifice, Marawi siege, Pagla standoff, and now, ang pinakapinali ninyo is the existence of BARM. BARM is the physical, tangible defiance of the government of the divinity. Why? Because you want to be in power, utilizing the asset. Magkano nakuha ninyo, pinapirma nyo, kinidnap nyo pa si Raja Mamay in December 1st, 2022. Ang mali ninyo, as I told you, the burden of defense is in the shoulder of the Queen. Even if you are with the top leaders, I am armored by knowledge and abilities, the brain that you cannot just simply say, I have no fight to deal with it. I can gain justice for all the peoples that you have hurt. That's why I told the Prime Minister, defend the people. You have to recover all the guns and bullets that the military were trying to get it from you, because that is my evidence. Remember, the armory was the one supplying the guns, the bullets, in all the fights, in all what they did. So all the military that has made it a difference for them. Meron na po nagkakatsaw sa ating pananalita, and it's okay. So, sabi ko nga sa inyo, magpaligis na lang kayo ng train, because the top level head of states is unified. Apulakay is still the man with the iron fist to fix the financial system. It is already there. Nandiyan na yan. So prepare for the total blackout. Prepare that there will be power outstage. No flights, no transport, no nothing. Because this is the way that you will learn how to be humble again. Go back to the Creator. Go back with no money, with nothing, so you can learn how to become human. Magpakatao kayo. Kasi ang tao na may puso ay yan ang kilalanin ng bagong henerasyon. Napakagaling ng mga sumulpot sa panahon ngayon. Yung mga copy-paste mula sa Telegram. You are trying to present yourself to be somebody, but never step on my shoes, because I will run after you. Hindi na nagpaparaya si Queen sa panahon ngayon. That is divine justice.
Mega love shoutout po sa lahat ng mga nagkokomento ng positibo. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsubaybay. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagmamahal at pagsuporta sa ating mahal na Haring Roger Mamay. At sa ating mahal na inang Reynang Helen Abdurrahman Elizabeth III. Please like the video to support, at inyong i-share sa inyong social media communities. At kindly subscribe kung kayo po ay bago sa aking YouTube channel. God bless.